hey, BD4826572065 blah 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 40368. I know you are wondering what alien language I just spoke. Don't worry, it is actually SHA-256. And what I said was, hey guys, I am Saurabh Patel and in this video I will explain to you what a cryptographic hash function is. So let's start. A cryptographic hash function is like a magical black box. You put something in and it gives you a unique output called a hash. A Bitcoin uses one called SHA-256, which stands for Secure Hash Algorithm 256 bit. No matter what you put in, a single letter or a whole book, the output is always the same length, 64 characters, made of numbers and letters. Like I showed at the beginning, that long sentence turned into an exact 64 characters hash. And even if you add more words, the result will still be exactly 64 characters. So how does this relate to Bitcoin mining? Every second, people all around the world send Bitcoin to each other. All of those transactions are bundled together into a list, like a page in Bitcoin's digital notebook. These pages need to be added to the blockchain, which is Bitcoin's public record. But before that happens, something really important needs to be done, and that is a cryptographic hash function. Miners take the page of transactions, add a random number of it, which we call the nonce, and put the whole thing into this black box, which is called SHA-256. The box spits out a long strings of numbers and letters, that is hash. Here is the tricky part. Miners are guessing different nonces over and over, trying to get a hash that starts with a specific number of zeros, like 0000 ABC123. The more leading zeros are recorded, the harder it is to find the right nonce. Let's say an example. Imagine we are hashing the word crypto and trying different numbers. First, crypto first, whose hash is A3F9. You see, does not start with 00. Crypto 2, whose hash is 9B71. It still does not start with 00. Crypto 3, whose hash is 0068. And it is start with 00, and that is a winner. So crypto third is the lucky guess. That is exactly what miners do. They keep changing their number, that is nonce, billions of times until one of the hashes finally start with enough zeros. It is basically like playing the lottery with billions of tickets every second. When a miner finally finds the right number that gives a hash with the correct number of zeros, bam, they shout to the entire network that hey, I found it. The network checks their work, and if it is valid, that miners add the page to the blockchain and they get rewarded with some Bitcoin. This whole system is called proof of work. It ensures that no one can fake transaction, because to do so you had need a ridiculous amount of computing power and electricity just to guess the right number. So in short, Bitcoin mining is equal to thousands of computers racing to solve puzzles, secure the networks and earn digital gold. Let's see 5 things you need to know about hash function. First, same input is equal to same output. Type the exact same thing and you will always get the same hash. Second, fixed output size. Whether it is one word or an entire encyclopedia, the output is always 64 characters. Third, fast to compute. Computers can calculate millions of these hashes every second. Fourth, tiny changes is equal to big differences. Yeah, change just one character and the entire hash will be completely different, helping keep things secure. Fifth, no duplicates, also known as collisions. It is nearly impossible for two different inputs to produce the same hashes. With SHA-256, no one has ever found a collision, and that's why it is trusted.